Hello friends, this is the continuation of our series VB6. In this tutorial, we'll create a simple Hello World program using VB6. So let's start. This is the new project screen which will first appear when you click on the VB6 application. You need to click on Standard EXE to start a new project and then click Open. So this is how the screen will look like when you create a new project. This is the toolbox which have different controls on it. This is the form. Inside the form we will create our GUI. You can also resize the form like this using the mouse. Then there is the property of form. Properties include back color, border style and so on. You can also create the caption, that is the text which is shown on the form using caption property of the form. Now here our aim is to show a message box of hello world when we click a command button. This is the command button. To put it on the form you need to double click on it. Here the command button appears. This is the property related to the command button. This is the name and caption. We'll change the caption to click me. So inside the coding phase we need to put a logic when we click on the button. To write the code, double click on the button and it will open up the coding window. Here we need to provide a message box. A message box in VB is shown using message box. Inside the message box procedure, write hello world and that's it. This is the event handling part of the button. When we click on the button, its click event is fired. Inside the click event of the button, there is the message box which shows hello world. Now if we run the program using F5, press F5 to run the program. So this is how it looks like when you run the program. As in the properties pane, the caption of the button was changed to click me. So click the button. Here this is the message box which is shown containing hello world. So we can say that it is pretty easy to write a simple and classic hello world program using VB6 within a single line of code. So in this tutorial we have learned about the button control and the message box in VB6. Thank you.